Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter in Wix. Whether you're running a business or just want to keep your audience updated, newsletters are one of the best ways to stay connected and share your latest news or promotions. First, head over to the Wix homepage and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to your dashboard. This is where all your website management and marketing tools are located. From here, navigate to the Marketing section and click on Email Marketing. Wix makes it simple by offering a variety of ready-to-use templates. You can choose a pre-made template for a professional look or start from scratch to design your own unique newsletter. Once you've picked a template, click on Edit Template to customize your content. You can change themes, adjust layouts, and modify design elements to match your brand's style. Don't forget about small details like the background color or images. They really make your newsletter pop. Add your text, logos, and images carefully so your message is clear and visually appealing. Before sending, make sure to use the Preview and Test feature. This lets you see exactly how your newsletter will appear in your subscribers' inboxes and ensures that all links, images, and formatting are correct. Once you're happy with the preview, click Next to select your audience. You can send your newsletter to all your contacts or target specific groups for more personalized engagement. Finally, hit Publish and your newsletter is ready to go. In just a few steps, you've created and sent a professional-looking newsletter through Wix. Take some time to explore other features like scheduling emails and tracking open rates to make your email campaigns even more effective. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Wix tutorials and tips.